Good morning, Zach! Ayan, maglalagay na kami ng Christmas tree.
Mom, I'm playing the tree.
Good boy. Baba, say good morning. Good morning. Finally, ayan, ilalagay na namin yung Christmas tree. And pinakuha ko lang talaga to kay Jan kanina. Kasi naka-storage, guys, yung aming Christmas tree. Siya, Christmas decor sa shed ni Dad. And inintay ko si Jan. Dumating galing work. And, yeah. So, si Jan ngayon, natutulog na siya kasi maaga siya. Umalis kanina madaling araw, ha?
That's not fishing in bed.
Yeah, I said, Daddy, sleep now. Sabi niya, si Dad, hindi nag-work. Tulog na daw sa bed.
Mom?
So, yan, ayusin na. And, di ba sinabi ko sa inyo na December 1, mga bago na yung mga i-upload kong vlog. So, unahin ko, may nauna pa, bago pa tong pag-decorate or pag-lalagay namin ng Christmas tree. Meron ako mga previous vlog, siguro mga 2 or 3 or 4. So, pero unahin ko muna itong pagtayo ng Christmas tree para sa December 1, Christmas na talaga. As in, mafe-feel na yung Christmas kasi itatayo na namin yung Christmas tree. And, di ba nag-ano din ako, nag-bali vlog. Siguro hindi ko matatapos yung bali vlog. So, i-insert ko siya sa Christmas vlog, then bali vlog. Pagkaya kung i-edit yung bali vlogs. Pero, priority ko yung Christmas vlogs. Pag may mga ganap kami, guys. Pero i-insert ko pa rin yung bali vlog after Christmas vlogs. Gets nyo ba? Halimbawa, nag-upload ako ng Christmas vlogs today. Then, baka that day din mag-upload din ako ng bali vlog. So, yan. And nabanggit ko na ba sa inyo na mayroon akong mga bago. Yes, Baba?
Is Bagong coming here at Christmas?
Yeah, and si Ponpal, si Lovely, and yung family niya, dito sila magki-Christmas sa bahay. Yes. No, I'm not sure. Tito Dan is going to the Philippines, and Tito Nel, I don't know yet.
Mom,
So, yun.
Yes.
Yes, Kuya.
Is Asian Mark coming?
Yes, Ate Isha and Mark are coming here. And, yun, ano ba sinasabi ko? Meron ako mga,
Are they sleeping?
yeah, meron ako mga bagong ilalagay na mga Christmas decor.
Here.
Yes.
Alea.
Yes, okay. Simulan na natin to. And mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo yung mga bago. Excited na ako kasi.
Alea.
No, Tita Lyra, Baba.
Why?
I don't know.
Where is it?
Adelaide.
No, it's not.
Where?
It's not.
In the shop. Okay. So basta excited ako ipakita sa inyo yung mga bagong ilalagay ko sa Christmas tree. Ayun si Kuya. Tulungan na natin si Kuya.
Oh. No, there's only one. Yeah.
Yeah, that's only one sack.
Holidays?
Huh?
Holidays?
What's that? Oh, that's the sack.
Oh,
Holly.
did I put presents in here?
If you're gonna be a good boy, yes, you might have.
I'm having the red one.
Are you?
Yeah. And I left the Christmas tree up. How?
Yeah, Kuya, because we have to put the
Yeah,
red one.
I've done this before. Yeah.
Yeah, oh, this is okay. Take this up. I'll go there. You have to go back.
Strong.
No, put it down. Close your eyes.
How about this? How about these ones? I'll put this one up the top.
Ayan, itayo na namin yung Christmas tree. And si Kuya, ang lakas niya kasi siya na talaga yung naglalagay ng, yung layer by layer ng Christmas tree. Baba, careful ha. Baka matumba yung Christmas tree natin. So, ngayon, ano yung gagawin ko? Hanapin ko yung Christmas light. Not that one yet, Kuya. We have to find the Christmas light. Christmas light, no. I don't think so. Here, maybe. Here. That one, the box sack. That one?
Be careful.
Careful with that one, Baba.
Oh, here's the
Christmas light.
I see the angel.
Christmas light, Baba. We don't need... No, that's the
That's
star.
the star.
Christmas light, Baba.
What's Christmas? Brenda, what
Yeah.
number, what number,
We have to
what
check first.
number?
Number 2. Get the number 1. And we have to check if it's working. Matagal na to. Ilang taon na to? Ilang taon na to na hindi ko pa pinapalitan. Gumagana pa naman siya. We have to check if it's working, kuya. Okay. You know how, right? Pero ang gagawa. Pero syempre dapat may supervision ni mommy. Okay, go. Yeah, screw it. Yeah, it's alright. Yeah. Yeah. And ang maganda dito sa ang switch, 'di ba ganyan, naka-off pa 'yan. Kaya yes. Oh wait, baba. Ayan, naka-off pa 'yan. So, okay, now turn it on, kuya. Ah, it's working. Okay, si Sak naman daw. Okay. Okay, just put it there, kuya.
That works.
Yeah. Si Sak, you know how, Sak? Oh, you have to screw. Yeah. Tight. Good boy. Okay, now you have to go there. Baba, wait. Okay, si Holly mag-on, ha? Okay, put it in. Wait, Baba, wait, Baba, wait.
Mom,
Okay, on.
The
Yay! It's working! Okay, lagyan na natin ang Christmas light. Finally, tapos ko nang ilagay. Yeah, I'm finished with the Christmas light. Naipulupot ko na silang lahat dyan sa Christmas tree. Next is, Mommy, excited na silang maglagay ng balls. Kumakain sila ng fruits. What? I will put the mesh. Ito yung mesh na nilalagay ko every year dito sa Christmas tree. And pinag-iisipan ko kung ilalagay ko ba siya this year kasi nga mayroon akong mga bagong binili na ilalagay natin dito sa ating Christmas tree. Pero hindi ko alam kung enough na matakpan ba yung mga ganito, yung mga butas-butas. Kasi ayan o, parang marami siyang mga butas-butas. And yung mesh, nakakatulong to para matakpan siya and para makatulong din na, ang tawag nun, malago tingnan yung Christmas tree, matababa. And make sure lang guys, pag naglagay kayo ng Christmas light, i-check nyo muna bago nyo ipulupot sa, sa Christmas tree. Kasi ako, pinulupot ko siya sa Christmas tree. Pero chinek ko siya, okay lahat yung lights. Kayo ba, kung maglalagay kayo, i-check nyo lang kasi nakakapagod to. It takes a lot of time. Siguro mga 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, or basta more than 1 hour ako nagpupulupot ng Christmas light dito sa Christmas tree natin. So, yun lang. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung ilalagay ko ba to, and ipakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga bago nating pang-decorate sa Christmas tree natin. So, eto, meron itong mga bagong binili ko last year na pang-decorate nga dito sa Christmas tree. Eto, medyo matagal na to, pero ilalagay ko pa rin itong mga, ayan o. Hindi ko lang kung ang tawag dyan. Basta yan. And eto, last year din to. Hindi last year. 2 years ago yata, eto yung glass na bowl. Wait lang, Baba. So, ilalagay ko pa rin to. So, mix siya ng bago at saka yung mga dati ko. Pero, hindi ako maglalagay ng kulay. Walang red this year yata. Tingnan ko lang. Baba na. Careful. Careful, please. So, eto, last year, binili ko to online. Kaso, late siya dumating. So, hindi ko na siya ano tawag yun? Nailagay, malaking sack. Tatlo dapat to. Isa na lang yung available nila last year. Tapos huli pang dumating. So, hindi ko na lang nilagay.
What's that?
Eto ba?
What is that? What's that, Mom?
This is Holly! May pangalan ni Holly to, guys. Oh.
Is it Holly?
Yes. Holly. Yung dalawa, yung
What is it six?
Holly.
It was eight.
It's
Whoa,
Holly.
whoa, 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 whoa.
I'll buy you next year, Kuya. And in-order kasi ito.
That's mine.
That was sock?
Hindi pala, yeah, socks.
Oh, what?
It's
Nice?
mine.
It's nice? Kuya? Si Kuya, you want like this? Next year,
But
okay?
not one of...
No, not the angel one. Different one. Kasi maraming mga designs na ganito.
And that's mine.
This is yours,
Where
Baba.
did you get it?
I bought it last year, Kuya. And then it came late last year, so I didn't put it last year. And it's supposed to be you have one as well, but they don't have any
Which one
socks.
you got? Are you gonna put this on?
Yes, I will. I'm just gonna show it to the people, the new ornaments or decoration for our Christmas tree. Wait, Papa, no. So, eto yung mga old to. Nakita nyo na to. Ilalagay ko pa rin to. Eto yung mga, ayan. Wait, Baba. So, yung mga green, mga old to. So, eto yung mga bago. Nabili ko last year. Eto, magaganda to, guys. Ay, hindi. Ay, ito ba? Last year ba to? Hindi to last year. Wait, Baba, wait. Where is it?
Wow.
Careful. May mga, ano
What is
dito, may
that?
mga snowflakes. Ano pa to? 2 years ago yata. 2 years ago. Wait, Baba.
It's
Careful.
mine.
Yes.
Mom, I thought that
So,
one...
eto yung mga bago. Wait, Baba.
Mom, I thought that one was cracked.
No, it's not that. Be careful because this is glass.
I thought it was cracked because Zach dropped it last year.
No, it didn't. Ayan.
I thought Zach dropped it last
Okay,
year.
don't touch that, please. So, ito yung nabili ko last year. Mga malalaki siyang bulaklak, guys. Ayan.
Mom, you never did that one last year.
Yeah, because I just got it. I bought it last year, Kuya. Can you get the scissor, Kuya, please? So, eto, ang isang ganito is $29.95. Pero nag-sale ata siya. Basta nag-sale to, kaya bumili ako nito ng marami. Kuya, so eto, ilang kaya to? Basta yan,
What's
isa.
this?
Oh, careful, snowflake, Baba.
And then more.
Yeah, more.
In the hands?
Yep.
Oh
And
my god, I don't know what's like.
bagong Christmas ball. Ayan.
Oh yeah!
Kuya, don't. So, eto, $10.95. Thank you, Kuya. Alisin na natin ito. Baka magupit ko yung ano.
Papa.
Ayan.
Mom, how is Zach monkey?
And, ano to? The same ata to.
What is it?
Yeah, the same nung isa. Ayan, oh. Ang cute ng ano niya, di ba? Parang may pagka-gold na may pagka-silver.
I can't hear it.
Glittery siya, tapos
Mom,
babasagin.
I can't hear it.
What, Baba? No. Because
Just a little bit.
no, copyright, Baba. And ito last year to yung parang crystal. 2 years ago. Okay, come on.
I wanna hear
One at a
it.
time to you.
I got it.
I can't hear
The same?
it.
Huh?
Crack.
You didn't crack?
Don't think it is.
Ito yung ano pa to? 2 years ago or 3 years ago?
2.
2 years ago, Kuya.
I wanna hear it.
Ito, si Holly gusto niya. Ito, bago din to. Last year ko to binili. Pero hindi ko siya linagay kasi iba yung decoration natin last year. Ito, bago to, guys. Magkano bili ko dito? Wala na nakalagay.
It's not wood.
Silver siya, oh. Daddy can find wood.
Not
Okay, be careful, Sok, ha?
what?
Because this is breakable.
TV.
Ah,
I'm tired of TV.
Ay, I'm excited na ako mag-decorate. Just pakita ko lang muna sa inyo yung mga nabili ko last
What
year.
is it?
Yung malit na. Baba, no, Baba, because makaka-copyright si Mami. Ayan, Christmas ball. Ayan, oh, much better, Han. What did you put? Kasi yung Christmas tree namin, ano na siya, tawag nun? Even, so linagyan ni dyan ng, what did you put, honey? Like what? Wood?
chalk.
At the what?
shop. Daddy,
Is that where it's time?
Yeah. You think so? Alis nga kuya. Ayan oh. Kasi kanina para siyang matutumba. So ngayon okay na siya. Oh. So ito yung maliit na ball. Magkano bili ko dito? 8.95.
This is a big one.
Yeah, that's the big one, kuya. Oh no! Ay, ang naputol ko ay yun.
Mom, what are you thinking?
Ang naputol ko guys is yung pangkabit. I-bowl na lang natin ulit.
What are you thanking for, Mom?
Ha?
What are you thanking for?
Ang dami ng glitters ng damit ko. Kaya baba.
Get the biggest one.
The biggest one.
The biggest one.
Ito yung malaking
Look
silver
what your is in there.
ball.
Don't
Ayan.
touch that.
I want to take it. I want to take it.
No, you don't take this. This is not fully ball. No, i-kick down ni Holly. Ayan, wait baba. We're gonna show it to people. Ayan, oh.
I don't hold it.
Ano siya? $17.95. No, Baba, because this is breakable, Baba. Babasag din. It's not alright, Baba. Okay. Kuya. And ito yung another one na
Yeah.
parang siyang singkamas, no? Ayan, parang siyang singkamas. Baba, careful. And, ayan. Ilan ba yung binili ko? Parang marami akong nabili nito. Wait, Baba. Wait, Baba, Diyos ko po. O, dito ka kay Mami. Next to Mami. What was that, Kuya?
Oh, just a bit.
Ha?
Just a bit.
Wow!
Well, come here. Don't drop it, Baba, ha? Akin na, akin na. Alisin natin yung tag.
Light.
It's not light.
It's like a light.
It's like a light.
Mom.
Oh, yan.
This is mine.
Yeah, that's a ballerina.
It's mine now.
It's not yours. That's for the Christmas tree, Baba.
Mommy, hold
Careful,
this
careful.
one.
Don't hold it hard. That's so far. Ito, 2 years ago ata ito nung si Holly. Nung,
1 year ago.
no,
you got it.
2 years ago.
Wow.
Holly. Wow!
It's a light too.
Oh, Holly, no, don't do that. Mom, how
Baba-
much of these have you bought?
I
Mom.
think I got a few of this. Ayan, parang
Mom,
singkamas. Yes.
Here.
Okay.
I want to help. I want to
And
help
ito,
her. Mom, I want to
kalimutan
help
ko last year
her.
to. Careful, Baba, ha?
Yeah.
Careful. Where's all the paper? Where's the
Oh,
paper?
I got it.
Give me, Kuya. Because, oh, you don't rip the paper, Baba. You don't.
Mom. Mom, this is another one.
Okay.
And you put...
Oh, eto, flower, rose. Eto pa yung isang bago, oh. Marami tayong ganito din, rose. Okay, Baba, okay. No, it's alright now. We're gonna put it now in the Christmas tree. So,
Mom,
i-try ko lang
here's
muna.
another one.
Yes. Okay, put it there first na, Kuya. Wait lang. Kasi parang, meron ako, nasan yung parang meron ako dito
Put it on
parang,
the Christmas tree now.
not yet, Kuya. I'm just gonna stay here.
Wow.
Wait, Kuya. Kuya, be careful, be careful.
This
This
one?
Not that one.
Oh my God. Look at this
Eto.
one.
Ito yung,
Mom, look at this.
wow, that's
What about this
pretty.
one? Oh.
It turns
Eto.
bright.
So, ito pa guys,
It turns
one kit.
bright.
Last, binili ko to last year kasi naka-sale eh. 1995. Ayan. Para siyang may
Mom,
crystals.
can I have this?
No, Baba. Wait. And meron pa. Wala pa yun.
Mom, I like this one.
Ayan, the same pala. Okay, we'll put her in the Christmas tree. So, we'll try it first. Yeah, wait, Kuya. We'll try this first. Wait.
Mom.
Yes.
I love this.
You like this? We'll try this. Ito ba, yung bulaklak. So, Kuya, gusto na ilagay yung... Wait, Holly, wait, please.
What's this?
Ang haba nito, oh.
Yes.
Mom, I got another one.
Ilagay ba natin yung mesh?
But is this last?
No, that's supposed to be next after Christmas light. Itaas ko kayo, guys.
We're doing. Oh, we're gonna put the.
Wait, I'm just gonna try if we need that one.
Wait, can we put the bowls on then?
Huh?
Can we put the white bowls there? Not these. Are we gonna put this on?
Yeah.
No.
So, eto, last year din to. Bagong bili ko to last year. Na hindi rin namin ginamit kasi nga para this year. So, siguro lalagay ko ulit yung mesh para makasigurong malago ang ating Christmas tree. Okay, kuya? No. We have to put the mesh.
Mesh.
Mesh, yeah.
I want to eat this.
Not yet, Baba. So, yung mesh, ipupulupot lang din to tulad ng...
Oh, the strings came off.
The what?
The strings.
It's alright. Oh, it's alright. So, iipit ko lang siya dito. Parang gagawa kong ganito. Ganyan ba? Ganyan.
What
Tapos,
is that doing?
yung,
What?
eto ba, irarap ko siyang ganon. Para ilalak mo siya na maging secure. Ganyan ba? Ayusin ko pa ito. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo. Ganyan. So, okay. Let's do this. Gawin natin ulit ito. Ilagay ulit yung mesh. Yes, baby. Tapos ko na, yes kuya, tapos ko na ilagay yung mesh sa Christmas tree. And makikita nyo, di ba, parang lumago siya compare kanina. And aayusin ko pa yan. And yeah, ilalagay ko na in a minute, Baba. Excited na sila maglagay ng balls. Wait, Baba. Mama will put this first. Eto, ilalagay ko muna to. Ha? Do you want to do a noise?
Yes.
Why?
Because.
Gusto mag-drum. Okay, so ilalagay na natin to. So, mag-ano muna tayo. Magta-try lang tayo kung saan natin sila ilalagay. Di ba ang ganda? So, mamaya na lang ulit. Update ko lang kayo. Ito yung mga malalaking bulaklak. 10 piraso pala siya na binili ko. Nag-sale sila. So, binili ko 10. Inubos ko ata yung natitirang mga bulaklak doon. And meron pa ako dito na hindi ko sa inyo napakita kanina. Ito, meron akong ganyan ibon. Magkano kaya bili ko nito? Wala na yung price. And meron ako ditong malaking puting ibon din. Ito, alam ko medyo mahal to. Kaso hindi ko na alam kung magkano exactly ko siya nabili. And eto meron din akong ganito. And eto nabili ko siya 1995. Ayan. Tapos ano pa ba? Meron pa ba? Eto na yung next ko. Yung mga rose. Yes. And eto. Baka eto may price to. Wala din oh. Marami akong ganito. Ito may price pala. Yes, wait lang. $9.95. Ayan.
Mom,
Yes?
on the bowl.
Almost, kuya. $9.95 ko siya nabili. Naghihintay na sila sa mga bowls. And eto ba, nabanggit ko ba sa inyo? Basta yan, nabili ko rin yan last year. Bago din siya. Kasama ng mga yan. So, eto na yung ilalagay ko yung roast. And eto ay $19.95. Yung price niya, pero naka-sale din to kasama nitong malaki, 20% off. Hindi ko lang alam kung ilang percent talaga, pero naka-sale sila nung binili ko. And eto din, naka-sale din yan. So, yan. Tapusin ko lang and update ko kayo mamaya. Okay? Here pa na ako. Bibang pa kuya. Find some spot, okay?
I can make this.
Baba, careful, Baba. Oh! Okay, good, Baba. Wait, Baba. Careful here.
Mama, that.
Huh? Put on the top, Kuya. Careful with that one, Seth,
No,
huh?
when I put this.
Huh?
When I put this.
Put anywhere you want, Baba. Put some. Yeah, maybe there.
Mama, here.
Yeah, Kuya. That will do. Right here, sir. Where do you want to put this? Maybe here, somewhere here, sir?
This
Here,
side.
sir.
My house is stale.
Somewhere there.
Here.
This one, where you want to put this Kuya? Baba, not there. Maybe here, Baba. Front. The front, Baba.
There we go.
I can't see that.
Yeah, look.
Yeah.
I can't see everything.
This one. So we're gonna put this.
So you can do that one.
Okay, just be careful not to walk here, Baba, because this is all the balls.
Okay.
Delicate one.
What more?
You want more?
No, I want to do that one.
I'm doing this.
Yeah, not, later, baby. Not now. Not yet. You have to finish this first.
Amazing. Mom, I just did it. I'm glad you did it for me. With the chair. Huh?
Ito na to.
That sounds like a store. Like,
Oh, okay. Here.
Oh my god, I'm having the clay.
So, face on. Not that one. Not there, Baba. Because that's too much there now. Maybe somewhere here.
we're
Okay.
back down the bottom.
Oh, no, you don't need to put it. No, balls, you can put balls there.
Oh, you did ball. Oh, yeah.
Okay, balls.
I don't know where to put that.
Okay. So, do you have any idea where you want to put it?
Oh, yeah, I know.
Ang dami ng product, oh. Okay, we need this tissue, ha? You don't need, no, not that one, Kuya. We don't need this here.
This one?
Hindi namin to kailangan. Ito yung mga luma.
Mom,
Hindi
this
natin to
one?
kailangan.
What is that?
But you have this one. You have to put this one. Ito yung ilalagay namin na
Mom, but if
balls.
there's still more room in that, does it feel like, do we use that one?
Yeah, maybe. We'll see. Okay, we'll see, Kuya.
Oh.
We'll see,
We're
okay?
fighting.
Huh?
We're fighting.
Baba!
Mom,
I'll do it, Kuya. I'll do it. Careful, Sa. And this one, you have to save this container because we need to put the balls back here when Christmas finished.